let's try to solve linear equations in one unknown. It is very simple. Okay, basically an equation something like this: 2x plus 3 equals to 8. Alright, this is a linear equation because you know the highest power of the variable, which is x, is actually 1. Alright. Alright, so we know that from this equation 2x plus 3 equals to 8. So really, how do we solve this equation? Okay, we solve this equation by manipulating this. Alright, so say 2x plus 3 equals to 8. Okay, shall I make 2x the subject? Okay, what I do is bring positive 3 to the right hand side of the equation, so it will become negative 3. So 2x equals to 5. Okay, and x equals to 5 divided by 2, because it's 2x's equals to 5, and it follows that x has to be half of 5, which is 5 divided by 2. Alright, yet another example is 5x minus 3 equals to 17. Okay, so 5x, let's make 5x the subject. Always isolate the term with the variable, equals to 17 plus 3. So 5x is equals to 20. X equals to 20 divided by 5. X equals to 4. Okay, let's try another example. If you have got 3x plus 2 equals to 8. Okay, you can choose to expand this, no problem. 3 times x will give you 3x, and 3 times 2 will give you 6. Alright, and that equals to 8. 3x equals to 8 minus 6. 3x equals to 2, and x equals to 2/3. Alright, so these are just some examples of how you can solve linear equations in one unknown, where the highest power of the variable is actually 1. So this is very simple.